Fix Windows Defender error 0x8007139f. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix1. Disable or remove one of the security apps from your device. While Windows Defender is a comprehensive security tool, some users may opt to install third-party options for more thorough protection. Unfortunately, this can create conflicts and prevent one or the other security software from running. Fix 2. Check the service. Double-click it to open its properties. Under Startup Type, select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Fix 3. Check for system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Install the updates. Windows is designed as a service, hence improvements, bug fixes, and new features are constantly being introduced by Microsoft via updates. If you are experiencing a 0x8007139f error when trying to launch a Defender scan, you should update it first.